So I think CMPL does a great job bridging this gap because today at Equinox we work with almost 85,000 customers, and more than half of them do contract manufacturing or want to do contract manufacturing, but they don't know what are the best people to go to. I think CMPL gives a platform where they can discover these brands at one go instead of taking 6 months or a year to find 10, 15 contract manufacturers here in a single day or 2 days. You can actually meet all of them. The people who are taking part here are more serious players who are already been in the industry for a long time. So it's great for food brands to discover new contract manufacturers at CMPL. So I think grit has been a very important mantra. When something fails, keeping on trying again, right? So trying till you succeed. I think that has been something that has helped me, helped our company, anyone I mentor. That's one of the things I always talk about is that you're going to fail, right? If you don't fail, you've not tried enough. So failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of it. So keep failing till you succeed. So I think contract manufacturing makes a lot of sense for brands which are just starting out because you don't have to set up your own facility. Many times you don't know whether your brand is going to succeed or not, or the concept is going to succeed or not, maybe a new concept will. So contract manufacturing allows you to very quickly try out new industries, try out new products, try out new variations, and you can be asset light, you don't have to raise a lot of money, you don't have to take time to set up new facilities. So contract manufacturing is a great way to get started. I know a lot of larger brands also who even after they've grown continue to contract manufacture because it's so much easier. It's that headache of managing operations is not there, right? So it's a great way for brands to scale. CMPL, I think whenever I think of CMPL, I think it's the only platform that allows discovery between contract manufacturers and food brands. And going forward, I want to see more of CMPL in other cities. So I think Bombay and Delhi is something that CMPL has already captured. I think there is a lot of space in Hyderabad, Bangalore, many other cities. So in the next 5 years, I think CMPL is something that should be happening in almost every major metro in the country. And I'm very sure that that's going to be a huge success. Innovative.